Akshay sir would be like, हो गया, जाएं, आज का काम हो गया, अच्छा कुछ बाकी नहीं है, ओ ठीक है. तो it was great that I got to do this first film with Akshay sir. Kriti, Taapsee, fun. I'd love to work with Kareena Kapoor. Females also have a long list. Ranveer Singh, I'd love to work with. I'd love to work with Ranveer Kapoor as well. They are so talented and so blessed. And it's like I love Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir's films. I love S.S. Rajamouli sir's films. I love Mani Ratnam. So I like that historical, mythological, period drama sort of movies the most. हम सबके साथ होते थे कुछ ना कुछ pranks, but बहुत ही दिल से चाहती हूँ कि आप सब थिएटर्स में आएं और हमारी पिक्चर देखें. Hi, my name is Pragya Jaiswal and you're watching me on Movie Talkies. मुझे तो लगता है कि हमारी बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक स्क्रिप्ट थी. हमने एग्जीक्यूट जो किया है फिल्म के शूटिंग के प्रोसेस में, हमने उससे भी बेटर कर दिया है. तो लेट्स होप दैट द ऑडियंस लाइक्स व्हाट वी हैव डन, क्योंकि हमारे हिसाब से तो हमने बहुत ही अमेजिंग फिल्म बनाई है. सो लेट्स होप.
So without revealing much, what can you say about that film? What audience can expect from it?
अब मैं आपको बताऊं एक बात, मैं बहुत ही दिल से चाहती हूँ कि आप सब थिएटर्स में आएं और हमारी पिक्चर देखें. तो मैं बस ये चाहती हूँ कि आप आए, आपके सारे क्वेश्चंस थिएटर में आंसर हो जाएंगे. सो यू जस्ट कम एंड वॉच एंड इट विल बी डेफिनेटली अ लॉट ऑफ फन.
So it's a big cast, with Akshay Kumar. You're working with Akshay Kumar. And
जी.
People talk about his, like the comic timing and
जी.
everything, his discipline.
जी.
He comes on set on timing and
जी.
everything. What was your experience, with him?
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस एग्जैक्टली वही था जो आपने सुना है कि सर रियली वैल्यूज टाइम, ही इज़ वेरी पंक्चुअल एंड उनके सेट पे हर डिपार्टमेंट इज़ वर्किंग ऑन टाइम. तो बहुत ही अच्छा था वो, क्योंकि हम सब टाइम से शुरू करते थे और टाइम से पहले हमारा दिन ख़त्म हो जाता था. देयर वर सो मेनी डेज व्हेन अक्षय सर वुड बी लाइक, हो गया, जाएं, आज का काम हो गया, अच्छा कुछ बाकी नहीं है, ओ ठीक है. इट्स अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि यूजुअली उल्टा होता है कि थोड़ा 1 घंटे ज़्यादा हो जाता है काम या 2 घंटे ज़्यादा हो जाता है प्रैक्टिकल कुछ कारण से. बट यहाँ पे हमारे साथ ऐसे नहीं होता था. तो इट वॉज ग्रेट दैट आई गॉट टू डू दिस फर्स्ट फिल्म विथ अक्षय सर, बिकॉज इतना डिसिप्लिन बैलेंस के साथ काम होता था, बट येट इतना फन और इतनी मस्ती होती थी सेट पे.
He is also famous for his pranks, He
Yeah.
actually does with maybe newcomers and even the old friends and all. So did you have any experience? Or
हम
with
सबके
others?
साथ होते थे कुछ ना कुछ प्रैंक्स, बट
Anything with you,
आई विल टेल यू बिफोर द फिल्म रिलीज व्हेन वी
it's
कैन
before
टॉक
film
मोर.
actually.
अभी तो टाइम है, तो ये सारी फन बातें हम उस टाइम पे करेंगे. But yeah, we had a lot of fun shooting with sir. He played a lot of pranks on all of us and he's fantastic with his comic time, which we experienced during the film set, like shooting of the film. And discipline you already know. So lots to learn from sir actually,
Anything about your character you can tell without revealing the plot?
It's something very exciting, very new and different from me. For me, I have not played a character like this ever. So I'm just hoping and praying that audience likes me in this role. It's different, it's interesting, and it's very new, and it's a little different from my original personality. So let's hope it works.
So about the future project, what plans do you have? Do you have like any wish list or something like that?
We all have lots of wish list. I'd love
I'd
to
like to
work
know
with the top person, the top director that I'd love to work with is Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir. I'd love
Just
to
watching
work
Drama
with,
Day.
yeah, I'd love to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir as actor.
An
And
actor?
actor Ranveer Singh, I'd love to work with. I'd love to work with Ranveer Kapoor as well.
Okay.
They are so talented and so blessed and
Actresses,
so
female
phenomenal. Female actresses, I'd love to work with Kriti, Taapsee.
Taapsee,
Yeah, I'd love to work with these girls. It'll be fun. I'd love to work with Kareena Kapoor. Females also have a long list, because nowadays, everybody is working with everybody. There's so many genres that are working. Crew was amazing, good fun. So yeah, let's hope.
What is your favorite genre? Like as a viewer?
I actually like rom-coms a lot. But I also like period dramas. Like I love Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir's films. I love S.S. Rajamouli sir's films. I love Mani Ratnam. So I like that historical, mythological, period drama sort of movies the most, and rom-coms.
So finally, what would you like to say to your fans?
All I would like to say to my fans is that gear up for Khel Khel Mein. It's going to be a fun ride. I'm really, really excited. So let's hope you enjoy the movie too.